Ready to supercharge your Kvcore with the power of your existing network. Let's dive right in and show you how to seamlessly upload your phone contacts into Kvcore in just a few easy steps. First, you'll need to export your contacts from your phone. The process varies slightly depending on your device. On most iPhones, go to Settings, then tap on your name at the top. Select iCloud, and make sure contacts are toggled on. They will automatically sync to your iCloud account and be easily accessible from a computer. On an Android device, open the Contacts app, usually found in the app drawer, then tap the three dots or lines usually in the upper right corner. Look for a Settings option, choose Export and select a Google account to export to. This will create a vCard file, which can be easily imported into Kvcore. Next, log into your Kvcore account on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Lead Engine tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Under Lead Engine, click on the Import Contacts option. Now, you'll see the Import Contacts page. Click on the Choose File button and select the vCard file you exported from your phone. You can also drag and drop the file. Next, you'll see options for parsing rules and assigning things such as source and status. Take a few seconds to decide if you want to add these. Finally, click the Start Import button. Kvcore will begin processing your contacts depending on the size of your list. This may take a few minutes. Once the import is complete, your phone contacts will be accessible within Kvcore. From here, you can manage, segment, and communicate with your contacts, launching targeted marketing campaigns and nurturing those relationships. Now that you've empowered your Kvcore with your network, take your sales to the next level.